Hi, I'm Michelle Borquez.
I'd like to introduce you to Live Again, a new DVD-based ministry to help women walk through the divorce recovery process.
You as a pastor, more than anyone else, know and see divorce happening. And in the Christian community, it is truly a tragic epidemic. So what happens to those who've experienced this emotional brokenness? Without a roadmap to help navigate them in the right direction, most are left to their own thinking and despair, which can further be devastating for their spiritual growth. Wounded people without godly counsel and wisdom continue to hurt and wound others. Our responsibility as a community of believers is to provide for them not only a safe haven, but also a way for them to heal and recover and eventually be restored. Live Again After Divorce is an 8-week DVD series encouraging and supporting women in their journey of healing, rediscovery, forgiveness, relationships, and learning to value themselves in what for most is the loneliest, darkest, most difficult road they will ever have traveled. What better place to find direction and healing than in a person's own home church? Or what better place to go for those in the community who are trying to find their way back to wholeness than to a local church that hopefully will become a place of refuge for them? I pray you as a pastor really consider opening your doors to these hurting women who need one another more than ever before, and allowing your church body to come around them and restore them gently back to an emotionally and spiritually healthy place. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit.